Welcome back, my dear lovely children. So today let us dive into our next topic, that is volume. Concept number 6, volume. So children, what is volume? Yes, the space occupied by any substance is called as volume. The space occupied by any substance is called volume. Let me write volume. And the SI unit of volume is cubic meters, written as m cube. M stands for meter, cube, read as cubic meter. This is the SI unit. So how we are measuring? What do you mean by meter cube or cubic meter? Suppose imagine a cube of length 1 meter. A cube means three-dimensional picture. It has its length, breadth as well as height. So imagine a cube having length as 1 meter, breadth as 1 meter, height as also 1 meter. Then the volume will be length into breadth into height. So meter into meter into meter. Let me try to draw the three-dimensional picture over here. This is how a cube looks like. If a cube was given whose side length, each side length as 1 meter. Every side length is 1 meter. This happens to be length, this happens to be breadth, and this happens to be height. Then the length into breadth into height gives your volume. So let me write it here. Volume is equals to length, let me represent as L, breadth, let me represent as B, height, let me represent as H. The value in a SI system, length is considered as 1 meter. So this is equals to 1 meter into 1 meter into 1 meter. So all together 1 into 1 into 1 is 1 meter into meter into meter is meter cube. So volume of a cube in SI system is considered as 1 meter cube. Simply units meter cube, read as cubic meters. So volume, for what substances do we measure volume? Anything. It might be solid, liquid or gases. You will be representing the volume of a solid, liquid or gases in meter cube or cubic meters. But specific unit is there for liquids. Suppose if you would like to measure specifically only liquids, then the general notations for volume, you will be measuring it in liters. So liters is also another units for measuring volume of a given liquid. For either if it happens to be the space, that means for any gases or solids, we will be generally indicating with letter meter cube or cubic meters only. So if it happens to be the larger areas, larger volumes, you represent it in meter cube. Suppose if it happens to be small area, small portion of volumes, then other unit of system you will be using the submultiples of meter, that is centimeters. In that case, you will be using in CGS system, you will be using smaller volumes are generally measured in centimeter cube and read as cubic centimeters. SI system, larger units, cubic meters. In smaller volumes, cubic centimeters. I think you can imagine, you people will be playing Ludo. So Ludo, while playing Ludo, you will be having this much dice will be there. The size of the dice, if you measure with the scale, it will be 1 centimeter length. So 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter, the volume of your dice is something around 1 centimeter cube. So small portions of volumes you will be measuring in centimeter cube, whereas larger portions you will be measuring it in cubic centimeters. Okay, children? Now, let us try to convert that meter cube, some relation between the meter cube, liters, centimeter cube and milliliters. Let us have a look into this. Well, children, you need to know that 1 meter cube is nothing but 1 meter into 1 meter into 1 meter. Isn't it, children? So 1 meter, if you would like to convert in centimeters, so 1 meter is how many centimeters? Yes, 100 centimeters. So 1 meter is 100 centimeters. Again, 100 centimeters and 100 centimeters. Isn't it, children? Okay. So now 100 means how many zeros are there? Tell me. Yes, 2. So 10 upon 2, 10 upon 2, 10 upon 2. So clearly 10 square centimeter into 10 square centimeter into 10 square centimeter. Are you getting me, children? Yes. Okay. So here 2, 2, 2. Totally how many 2's are there? Yes. 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is 3 to 6. Okay. So 10 upon 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is 6 centimeter into centimeter into centimeter. Overall it is 10 power 6 centimeter square. So 1 meter cube is equals to 10 power 6 centimeter cube. Okay. Or another way of writing is, if I want 1 centimeter cube, I need to bring this to the other side. Then the value of 1 centimeter cube is how many meter cube? Here it is 10 power 6. If I bring this 10 power 6 to the other side, this plus 6 will become minus 6. Hence clearly 10 power minus 6 meter cube is equals to 1 centimeter cube. Both are same, children. 1 meter cube is equals to 10 power 6 centimeter cube, or 1 centimeter cube is equals to 10 power minus 6 meter cube. Okay? Well, one more format. Also remember, children, 1 liter, the value of 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. 1000 milliliter. 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. Also 1 liter is also equals to the same thing. If 1 liter happens to be 1000 milliliter, then 1 liter is also equals to 1000 centimeter cube. Both are almost same. Okay. Clearly, if 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliters and 1 liter is also equals to 1000 centimeter cube, then you can say that 1000 milliliters is equals to 1000 centimeter cube. Let me write this. Okay, here also left hand side liter is there. Here also left hand side liter is there. So both values are same. If left hand side is same, right hand side must also be same. Hence clearly 1000 milliliter must be equals to 1000 centimeter cube. So 1000 milliliter, if 10 portions equals to 10 portion, 1 portion equals to 1 portion. If 1000 portions equals to 1000 portion, 1 portion equals to 1 portion. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 again, all gets cancelled. So clearly 1 milliliter is equals to 1 centimeter cube. If you want, you can cancel all the zeros here and then you will be getting 1 milliliter equals to 1 centimeter cube. And remember this, children, 1 centimeter cube, okay, this can also be represented as, instead of writing this, you can also write this as cc, cubic centimeters, cc, cubic centimeters. Okay, centimeter cube, either you will be writing or short form for cubic centimeter is cc. Hence, either it can be 1 milliliter equals to 1 centimeter cube, or also sometimes they can represent as 1 cc. Okay, both centimeter cube and cc, both are same. Need to remember, children. Okay, what have we come across? 1 meter cube is equals to 10 power 6 centimeter cube and 1 centimeter cube equals to 10 power minus 6 meter cube. 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliters and also 1 liter is also equals to 1000 centimeter cube. Hence, Comparing these two, we have 1 milliliter is equals to 1 centimeter cube. One more thing I need to discuss, children. This is all regarding meter cube. How liters are related to meter cube? Well, coming here, as I have told you, 1 liter is equals to how many centimeter cube? 1000 centimeter cube. So let me rewrite the same. What is that? What I told is 1 liter is equals to 1000 centimeter cube. Yes? But what I can write is, in 1000, I'll keep it like this only. Centimeter cube can be written as centimeter into centimeter into centimeter. Okay? So 1000, I write it as 10 power 3. Centimeters, I would like to convert in meters because I would like to generate the relation between liter and meter. So 1 centimeter, how many centimeters? 1 by 100. Remember? Remember, children? Know that 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters. So 1 centimeter equals to 1 by 100 meters. So 1 centimeter equals to 1 by 100 meters. Again 1 by 100 meters and again 1 by 100 meters. So 10 power 3 into, here 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 2 zeros. How many zeros totally? 6 zeros. Okay. Meter into meter into meter. Meter cube. So 10 power 3 into 1 by 10 power 6 meter cube. 10 power 6 bring upwards. What will you get, children? 10 power 3 into plus 6 bring upwards, it will become minus 6 meter cube. So plus 3 minus 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. 3 minus 6 is minus 3. So we have 10 power minus 3 meter cube. So clearly 1 liter is equals to 10 power minus 3 meter cube. Let us recall back everything whatever we have discussed till far. Conversions, regarding conversions. Okay. So 1 meter cube is equals to how many centimeter cube? This is 1 meter cube is equals to 10 power 6 centimeter cube. Whereas 1 centimeter cube is equals to 10 power minus 6 centimeter cube. 1 liter is 1000 milliliters. Also 1 liter is 1000 centimeter cube. Hence 1 milliliter must be equals to 1 centimeter cube. And 1 liter is equals to how many meter cube? 10 power minus 3 meter cube. Let me write once again. Yes, tell me. Let us recall back. So what are the things we have discussed till far? What is volume? Volume is nothing but the amount of space occupied by a substance. SI units for volume is meter cube, read as cubic meters. CGS units or another unit, smaller units of volume is centimeter cube or cubic centimeters. Next, volume formula, length into breadth into height. Volume of a cube, formula, length into breadth into height. If it is given in meters, meter into meter into meter, meter cube. Centimeter, centimeter into centimeter into centimeter, centimeter cube. And conversions, regarding the conversions, what I told you is 1 meter cube is equals to 10 power 6 centimeter cube. 1 meter cube is equals to 10 power 6 centimeter cube. Here it is. Next, also 1 centimeter cube is equals to 6, the other side, 10 power minus 6 meter cube. One more formula. Case 3, 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliters. 1000 milliliter. Also 1 liter is also equals to 1 liter is also equals to 1000 centimeter cube. This one. And later, if these two are equal, these two also are equated. 1000 millimeter equals to 1000 centimeter cube, and hence 1 milliliter is equals to 1 cubic centimeters. And the last one, 1 liter is also equals to 10 power minus 3 meter cube. These things you need to remember. Meter cube, 10 power 6 centimeter cube. Centimeter cube, 10 power minus 6 centimeter cube. Liter, 1000 milliliters. Liter, 1000 centimeter cube. So milliliter is equals to centimeter cube, and liter 10 power minus 3 meter cube. So let us continue with the numericals based on the above concept.